Okay, question 4. So I've just started to fill this in a little bit. I've put in the points A and B. I'm trying to find the equation of a circle, so I need to do CRE, and that's my generic form of the equation. So I'm trying to find the centre to get these values, because it's just the signs changed for these values. So for example, if that was plus 3 and plus 4, the centre would be negative 3, negative 4. And this would be your r squared. So for example, if the radius is 10, I would put in 100. If the radius was root 12, I would put in 12. So let's get the radius first of all. So let's think about it. Now, Pythagoras comes into this quite a lot. I would draw something like this to start me off. And I know that this distance is going to be 8 and this is 2 because I'm going from negative 7 to 1, so it's going along 8. And I'm going from 3 to 5, so I'm going up 2. And that would give me my diameter. So if I just want the radius, I just want half that distance. Okay? I just want this little triangle in here, half of it. Yeah, so what's half of 4? Half of 8, that's 4. What's half of 2? That's 1. Okay, so I'll go over here and say that my radius, that's 4 and 1. So the radius squared is 4 squared plus 1 squared. So it's 16 plus 1. So the radius is equal to root 17. And I'll just put that down there as 17 because it's 17 squared. And then how do you find the centre? Well, I know that if I go from point A, which is negative 7, 3, and I go along the 4 and up the 1, right, along the 4 and up the 1, that's going to take me to my new centre. So negative 7 plus 4, that's negative 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So that would be the value in here, that would be your centre. So change the signs, plus 3, negative 4, and that's you for, yeah, that's you for a nice little 3 marks, isn't it? Plus 3, negative 4, absolutely. So, CRE, always remember that. You could get a tangent question, like the tangent question where you're working out your centre. You get the line between the centre and the point, and then get your perpendicular gradient, that comes up. So that's basically a straight line question. And the other one is a point on the line. So for this equation here, if someone said is the point 1, 2 on the line, all you do is substitute in 1, 2 and see if it equals 17. If you substitute in 1 and 2 in here and it equals 17, and the same way if I put in 1 and 5, that would give me 17. It's on the line. But say I put in the point, 1, 6, that would be off the line. Now 1, 6 would give me a number over here that's bigger than 17. So if this side is bigger, then it's outside the circle. If this side is smaller than that, then you're inside the circle. So that comes up sometimes as well. But yeah, nice little 3 marks there. CRE when you're dealing with the circle.